Forces are all around us. A force is any action taken on an object. We often think of the force of pulling something or pushing something, which causes movement. But a force can also keep something in place. It's easier for us to see the force of a push or pull, but there are lots of forces acting on us right now that we can't see. Today, we're going to learn about physics and explore some invisible forces.
Hello everyone, thank you for having me. My name is Aylin Visram and I just graduated from the University of Toronto with a Master's in Science. The invisible force I'm going to be talking about is friction. So let's say I rub both of my hands together really fast for about 5-6 seconds. What will I feel? Heat. The harder I rub them together, the warmer my hands get. The invisible force, called friction, between my palms makes them warmer. Now, when two surfaces come together so that they rub against each other, friction occurs. And you definitely see friction every day when you are out walking. If you're out walking on a nice, smooth surface, you'll have an easier time walking than if you were walking on a rougher, tougher surface. So my favorite invisible force is gravity, because this is what keeps everything on the floor, keeps us on the floor, keeps our food on our plate. And a fun fact about gravity is that without it, we would all be floating around like we were in space, and I think that would be really funny. Anyways, thank you for having me, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning about friction.